So we're gonna draw cat. First we should to make straight line. It's not that straight, it's have a little shape, so two straight lines right there, they should be have same distance. After we are going down like this, going up and going down again to this detail. We don't make a connection, we have just draw the glasses. So right now we need to make nose like this, and paint it black like this. We're going down, make his mouse, 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 mouse. With his guitar sound, he's looking amazing. Right here, we should to make his body like this. With this line like this, you know. Okay, we're going up here. Going up again and draw his so let's stand right here. We should draw his fingers. Like this. Here we have to draw the ear. We have done it. Here we should just add some details like this, right here. Okay, we have done it. And just a little body right here. So I will paint it. We have done our work. I will paint this here the black and just add some straight lines right there. We have done our work.